Hi all, today we'll quickly walk through the cyber kill chain, Lockheed Martin's 7-stage model that helps security teams understand how attacks unfold and where to break them. The cyber kill chain represents the complete journey of a cyber attack from initial reconnaissance to data exfiltration. Understanding this flow helps SOC teams decide where to detect, block and respond. Stage 1. Reconnaissance is where attackers collect public or exposed information about the target. They study open services, technologies and potential weak points. Stage 2. Weaponization. In the weaponization phase, attackers create a malicious payload, often by combining malware with an exploit that fits the target's vulnerability. Stage 3. Delivery. This delivery stage is how the attacker sends the weapon to the victim, commonly via phishing, emails, infected websites or malicious USB devices. Stage 4. Exploitation. Once delivered, the exploit is triggered, either through a user clicking or exploiting a software vulnerability. This is the moment where the attack becomes active. Stage 5. Installation. Here, malware installs itself on the system and establishes persistence so it can survive reboots or user logouts. Stage 6. Command and control. At this point, the infected machine reaches out to the attacker's command and control server. This allows the attacker to send instructions remotely. Stage 7. Actions on objectives. Finally, the attacker executes their objective, stealing sensitive data, moving laterally across systems, encrypting files or disrupting operations. By understanding each stage, defenders can break the chain early, especially during reconnaissance, delivery or C2 communication. This reduces attacker success dramatically. Thanks for watching.